All right, I'm going to be making some verification measurements. We'll call it that today. I'm going to be using the 7.5 digit voltmeter to check my two 6.5 digit voltmeters to see if they're still in calibration or not, how far out they are. This is recently calibrated, and those haven't been calibrated in 3 decades. So I've got a source here, and we're just going to measure it. It can do 2.5, 5, 7.5, and 10 volts. So I have it set for the 2.5. It's actually 2.499187. Now, my other meters, we're going to ignore that last digit. I don't know how to set the number of digits here, but that's okay. So 4991819. Okay, we'll call it, let's look at the averaging maybe up to 1919. And so this is measuring 20. And that one's measuring 17. So they're within one count about. Okay, maybe this one wins this particular one. Let's go to the next range, which is 4998. So 99885. We get 87 there, and we get 80 up there. All right, and we'll go one more. We get 49595. We got 98 there, and we've got 95 up there. So that one's spot on up there, the Keithley. And we'll go one more, and it's 99507. We got 11 here, and we got 06 up there. So that one wins again. 95. Wait a minute. 95. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have enough digits there. This one has more digits. Why don't I have enough digits up there? 99495. I don't know. Let's see here. Can I get more digits out of the Keithley? Let's see here. Digits. Here we go. 496. All right. Getting more digits out of my HP instrument, and certainly we get more here. Anyway, I say that they're basically all, for the garage work, they're going to be, let's say, plus or minus 2 counts about these 2 meters. And yeah, so I think they're just perfectly fine. A lot of people say, yeah, don't ever touch the cal because they're going to be good enough before anything you can do. But yeah, so let's go ahead and do one more measurement while we're here. And that is, let me turn this guy off. That is my 10K resistor, all right? So I'm going to put in the 10K resistor here. And we will go to 4-wire resistance. So my resistor is measuring 99866. 9986667. All right. And so let's do this one. (998) and 3. It was 6, right? So it's 3 here. So it's plus. It's 3. This one's 3 counts off. Let's see if we can get more digits out of it. Oh, there we go. Yeah. So a little ways off on that one. And let's check the Keithley. And we'll go to 4-wire ohms. Yeah. Put this up here. 986. Yeah, so this one's more accurate for ohmage. So I say in my lab, if I need anything super accurate, I'm going to trust this meter here over all others. That will be my standard. It's been, like I said, I've owned that for a couple decades, and it's been pretty solid. The 2 instruments, when I first got the 2 instruments, this one, can you see them both now? Yeah. the Hewlett-Packard 34401, and this is the Keithley 2015, and they both agreed within about one count, and they've drifted off just a tiny bit, but they're pretty close now. Anyway, yeah, I'm pretty happy with the garage. No need to go off and spend a bunch of money on calibration. These are fine.